This video will be creating this amazing animated loading using HTML and CSS. Let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is Code Capable coding fastly and efficiently. I have created HTML and CSS file and I have linked the CSS file also. Now first thing is that I will create a div here. And the class name will be loading. That's it. Into my CSS, but before I will run the live server. Okay. There we go. And now I go to the CSS and the first add style for the loading, and inside this, but before loading I will say I'll style for the body. First will be min, height will be 100 ph, and also the display will be flags. Justify content center and align item in center. That's it. Next will be for loading. First will be the content width will be 48 pixel. Height will be 48, and also margin will be auto. Position relative. That's it. And next I'll say loading. Loader. Before the first content will be nothing, and the second is width will be 48, height 5, background will be this, position absolute of 60, it will be 0, border radius 50%, and the next I will add an animation, but I will create it. Animation name will be shadow, set 10.5 sec, linear, and duration infinity. Next thing, I will style loader after, and content will be the width 100%, height will be 100%, and the next background will be this. No, sorry. Let's go. Position absolute, top 0, left 0, border radius, and the last will be animation. This will be jump 1.5 second, linear, infinity. That's it. Now the next I will create animation. The first will be jump. Here the first thing it will be at 15%. It will be 3 pixel. Now the next and last animation style for the shadow. Animation name shadow. And the first will be 0. That's it. I will go to my browser and you can see that's good. I think that is good. Here is how we can create such a amazing and modern login. Not login, sorry, loading. That's how you can create it. I hope you will have enjoyed the video, and if you like it, press the like button and also press the subscribe button, and you can check out my channel. I have a bunch of videos like this. You can check out playlists. Thanks for watching the video.